So this box, as you can see, imefungwa because there are some that have broken. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eve. Welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I've just received a consignment. It's just been brought. Size in 5 p.m. I was expecting this thing to be brought in the morning, but I guess they didn't manage, so they brought it now. And yeah, let's unbox with you. Okay. So we have Sharon here. Yes. Helping me. So they come packed like that. So I think it's 6 in the box. And oh, I haven't mentioned, these are wine glasses. Let's open and see how they look like. And I've been told that there are some that have broken already by the cargo. Wow. Wow. Oh, guys, this is so cute. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Imagine me taking my wine in this. I can't wait. My wines can't wait. So we have this design. This design came in 2 boxes. So this is the other box, and the other one is below there. Let's open this one as well. So I believe this one is just as exactly as the other one, but we are going to check if everything is intact, because if there are damages. Wow. Oh, this is the other design. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yes. This is gorgeous. It has a gold rim. Wow. So here as well, we have 6 of them, but in the box it's 48 pieces. So this box, as you can see, imefungwa because there are some that have broken, and I'm worried there might be many. I was so excited to get this consignment, but as you can see, oh my gosh, look at this post. Guys, we didn't say this other one. And these are glasses. My heart is skipping. Oh God. If this is no God, I don't know who it is. Okay, these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I need to wrap them back. So this box has less pieces. As you can see, the cargo went ahead and checked for the broken pieces because I told them it's glass, and they checked for me before bringing them here in town, and they removed the pieces that were broken, which are a total of 8 pieces in this design. 8 design. Oh, this design, a total of 8 pieces were broken. And the way, excuse you, the way I was excited. This had extras, but now that we have broken pieces, I doubt, but I'll be doing the calculations later on after I have notified everyone.
What? It's a vitamin. I thought that's it.
So let's do pieces. We are back home, and let's unbox mine because I couldn't wait to have them in the house. So I did unbox. I only had 6 pieces. So yeah, let's open up.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, you don't.
So I was craving my pineapple cucumber juice, which is really nice. I really love that drink. So let me show you how I make it, and then store it in the fridge to maybe give me about 3-4 days. Usually it stays that long without going bad. So even though you've stored it in the fridge, you need to finish it before the 4th day, in fact, finishes. So I usually go ahead and peel my pineapple, and then take my cucumbers, and then blend everything together, and then sieve. I don't like using my juicer for this because it comes out looking foamy and very thick. I don't usually like it that thick. So yeah, I had this pineapple for about 4 days. It hadn't been peeled, so it went bad in a few parts, but I had to cut that off. But yeah, let's speed up.
I like it, but it's not okay. Whatever, can I walk away? Oh yeah, I can still see your face. So tell me what to do, 'cause I can't find a way.
Also, in the estate we didn't have water, so I had to buy water in the dispenser, in the bottle, and then put my dispenser. I've had that dispenser for a very long time. I got it from town and it was going for about 600. Really makes my job easy. So normally I usually blend 1 pineapple and 2 cucumbers, or 1 pineapple and 1.5. But on this day I blended, because that was more of a half a pineapple, I blended 1 full cucumber. And this drink, y'all, this drink will make you, if you ever constipate, it will make you, yeah, you understand what I mean. But if you have issues with constipation, consider getting this drink. But I usually don't drink it for that. I just drink it because it's so refreshing and also adds nutrients to my body. Usually that's the main reason. Anyways, I usually go ahead and then save everything and then remove some particles. Not usually so many, but usually there are particles that you have to remove so that your juice is very smooth. And that's what I usually do. And then finally, I usually take my smoothie jars, the glass mug, or the smoothie jar, that's what we call them. We had shaped these ones in, and then put some what I'm going to drink, and then the rest store them in that container, this container that I'm holding right here, and then store it in the fridge. If not in this container, there's another one that I had gotten from Best 9 supermarket on your way to Kamukonji, and those really do help. And once Kitambo, I was asking myself, why do I really need so many containers to store anything in the fridge? But right now I get it. Whenever you have kidogo money, usually get a few things, stock up, and one day they will play a really major role when you're storing your things. So that's just a tip of what I've been doing. I didn't buy all these at once. I had to buy them kidogo kidogo, and that kidogo kidogo will usually accumulate to something bigger. So yeah, let's pack up and then drink a kidogo, because yes, as I said, I did drink kidogo. Well, maybe a lot, but yeah.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk